start.
It's gonna be a highlight reel of all the times, the outtakes of you yelling at me.
Nobody's gonna watch us with the music in the background.
All your cousins? So we're at the Salt River today. Hopefully we'll catch something. We got here a little late. It's 7:50.
Oh.
Yeah.
Or you wanna go in here?
Well, we'll see because there's nobody here today, so maybe we'll check it out. Fresh horse poop. Maybe we could put up a bait pole too. A lot of morning bugs on the water still. A lot of morning bugs. There was one jump. Yeah, to the left. Oh, nope, they're right here to our left. They're jumping. We just gotta go in there a little bit. They're more towards the center. We got our water shoes on. No waders needed. Whoa, I got that one. Heck yeah. Right? That one was clear. I know. Yeah, they're more to the left.
My boots stand behind my way. There's nothing you can do, nothing you can say. It's gonna take a long time to find my way to peace and love and happiness forever I reign. But if you stay on the path of a righteous man said, one day you gon' find your own promised land. And whoever that may be for you and me, say you always have to fight for equality. So go walk on, say go walk on, my brother. I know you're gonna find your way, yeah. So go walk on, say go walk on, my sister. You gon' forget this someday. Cause it's a long road to Zion, but we gon' forget this someday. Said it's a long road to Zion, yes. And will you come with me? I'm gonna tell you that many men said them evil men are gonna try to stop ya, but you know can. Say you know can't let them block ya. Say the road we walk is long and treacherous, but there's a heart of a lion in all of us. So hear my roar and hear my call. The world has got to change. So hear my roar and hear my call. We've got to stay irate. Cause it's a long road to Zion, but we gon' forget this someday. Said it's a long road to Zion, yes. And will you come with me?
It's time to go though. Lunchtime, brunch time.
Coffee time.
We lost as many lures as we did catch fish today.
Are they swimming?
Swimming people are starting to show up though, so it's time to go. Fish been jumping all morning. Would you like to say anything? In his dreams.
It was a busy day. There was too many lures in the water. Couldn't catch anything.
The fish were hiding real good in that tall grass you kept catching.
Mm-hmm.